Hello students, in the last video we seen or we learned the topic data structure algorithms. Today also we will continue that topic. Now up till now you learn about the different algorithms as traversing, inserting and the deleting. Today we will see the different algorithm for the searching. Now, what is exactly the searching? You can simply say from the particular array or from the particular list, if I want to search any element or if I want to search the position of any particular element, that operation called as searching. Basically, there are two types of searching: linear search and the binary search. Now, what do you mean by linear search? Linear search is nothing but whenever you find out the particular element from the given array one by one, or you can say you have to compare the given element with the each and every element from the list up till you get the particular element, or up till you can say the search is successful. So that particular way or the method called as the linear search. And second one we have the binary search. Now binary search itself divide their basic array or basic list into two parts. Okay, so for that purpose we need, or I can say there is the compulsory condition कि the element which you want to search from the particular array list, that array list must be in the sorted order. The word sorted is very important. So binary search is only applicable for the sorted array only. Now these two methods we can see one by one in the detail. Now so here the first is what? The linear search. So linear means what? Sequential search. Matlab from the given array we will search a particular element with comparing every element from the array one by one. So for that purpose, in the left hand side I put certain algorithm name. So my algorithm name is what? Linear search. In bracket I describe the four variables which we can use in the algorithm. So I define LA. So LA is nothing but the linear array. N is the total number of element. Item is the element which you want to search from the given array. Okay, and K is the position of the item, or you can say K is the position. Ki on that position we will find out that particular element. Clear? So here we will start with the algorithm. We already know every algorithm is start with the keyword start and end with the either stop or the exit. So step 1 is what? My start. Now in the step 2, the element which you want to search, we have to add that element at the last plus one position in the particular array. So total number of elements in my array is what? N. So we have to add that item at the n plus 1 position. Clear? जितने भी नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स है यू हैव टू ऐड द एलिमेंट, जो भी एलिमेंट मुझे सर्च करना है दैट एलिमेंट आई हैव टू ऐड एट द लास्ट. लास्ट मतलब क्या रहेगा? n प्लस 1. n नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आई ऑलरेडी आई हैव, तो उसके नेक्स्ट वाले पोजिशन पे आई एम एडिंग द आइटम. सो इन द स्टेप 2 आई पुट सेट LA of n plus 1. So n plus 1 is what? My next position. On that position equal to item. So here I am adding item at the LA of n plus 1 position. Clear? Element last में add हो गया. Now I set my counter at the first position. So I will take any variable. So you can take I, J, K, जो भी लेना है वो. So here I put my counter as the K. So here I am putting K equal to 1. Either you can start K equal to 1 or you can start with the K equal to 0. Now After setting up the particular counter, we will check every element, or I can say we will compare every element from the first position with the particular element or with the particular item. So in the step 4, I put repeat while LA of K is not equal to item. Now repeat while means what? Next procedure आपको कब तक करना है? जब तक LA of K, LA of that particular position, that is what my K, if it is not equals to item. So initially K value क्या है माझी 1, K value क्या है मेरा 1. So initially if LA of 1, LA of 1 मतलब फर्स्ट पोजिशन पे द एलिमेंट जो भी है, इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट इक्वल्स टू दैट आइटम जो मुझे सर्च करना है वो, बट ऑब्वियस अगर एल ऑफ फर्स्ट पोजिशन पे जो एलिमेंट है इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू आइटम, सो वी हैव टू चेक द नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट. That means I have to move to the next position. That's why I put set K equal to K plus 1. Clear? So we have to perform that step 4 continuously, repeatedly till LA of K equal to item नहीं आ रहा है तब तक. कंसिडर एट द थर्ड या फिर फोर्थ पोजिशन पे इफ LA of K equal to item मैच हो गया, then there only you have to stop the algorithm. Otherwise in the step 5, if K equal to n plus 1, that means 1 by 1 एक एक एलिमेंट चेक करते करते इफ आई एम पुटिंग और इफ आई मूव टू द लास्ट एलिमेंट, तो लास्ट एलिमेंट मेरा n था. नाउ आई मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट, दैट इज बट द पोजिशन ऑफ द n plus 1. तो n plus 1 पोजिशन पे कौन सा एलिमेंट था? द एलिमेंट विच आई वॉन्ट टू सर्च, दैट एक्सप्लिसिटली आई पुटेड ऑन दैट पोजिशन. करेक्ट है? इन द स्टेप 2 n plus 1 पे तो मैंने खुद एलिमेंट डाला था. सो इफ k इक्वल टू n plus 1, I just said कि k equal to null. K equal to null means nothing but what? Search unsuccessful. Because that element, the element which is present at the n plus 1 position, that I am explicitly put at that element. Correct hai? So linear search is nothing but you have to search the given element. You have to search the given element from a given array list. From the given array list. With comparing one by one element with that element till search successful. Okay, so we will see one example to elaborate that particular algorithm. So see here, consider I have one array list, correct hai, which consists of the element 10, 50, 30, 70, 80, 60, 20, 90, 40 like that only. Consider I want to search the element as the 20. So 20 is what my the item. Correct hai? So here from the given list, after the position of the 40, the element 40, that is at the position 8, we have to add that 20. Correct hai? We have to add that 20 at the next position. Correct hai? 9th position में मैंने add क्या कर दिया? 20. Now I set my counter at the first position. Just I set my counter at the first position. Then from the first position we will check the element. So in the first position just I check, is this 10 equal to 20? If yes, then stop. But if no, then I have to move further. So here I move from the 10 to the 15, that is from the 0th position to the first position. Now again I check, is this 50 equal to 20? If yes, then stop. But if it is not, that's why here again I have to move from 50 to 30. Like that only once I reach to position 6. Now here match comes, that is 20 equals to 20. That means we have to stop over here and my k equal to 6. That is what the position of my searched element. Correct hai? That is what the element. Okay, done. Now this is what my linear search. Now we will move to the next algorithm, that is what my binary search. Now in the binary search, what I will do, the compulsory rule is what? Always we have to perform binary search on the sorted list only. Now why that requirement we have to follow, we will see further. Okay, so see, first of all we will see ki what is the method of that binary search. So in the binary search we will put the first element, as the beginning, beginning, and the last element is at the position end. Okay, so lower bound of my array set to keyword beginning, and the upper bound of my element, the position that set to be as the end. Then we will find out the position of my middle element. So how to find the position of the middle element? So we can write mid equals to integer of beginning plus end divided by 2. Now what is the meaning or what is the use of that formula? Correct hai? So if I want to find out the middle position from the 5 elements of the array, correct, 5 elements of the array. So from that array the position of my first element is 1 and the position of my end element is 5. So how to calculate the middle position? That is nothing but the 1 plus 5 divided by 2, that is 6 divided by 2 is what, my 3. So there is no use of that integer keyword. But in the case of if there are the 8 elements present in my given list, so the position of my beginning element is 1 and position of my ending element is 8. Now 1 plus 8, that is equals to 9 and divided by 2 is what, the 4.5. But there is no element, or you can say there is no positional element present at the 4.5 position. Correct है, there is no 4.5 ऐसा position मेरे array में तो नहीं होता है. So that time I have to trunk, or I can simply say I just want to trim out the 0.5 वाला position. I just want to take that the element which is present at the 4th position. That's why in the formula we have to put the data type as the int. So whenever there is the even number of list is there, so we have to take the middle position which is truncated by the point wala part. Clear? So now see in the algorithm with the left hand side wala part, I just described the name of the algorithm and some keyword. So binary, that is what the name of my element, which consists of LA, LB, UB, item and the alloc, where LA is nothing but what? It's a linear array. LB is the lower bound. LB kya hai? LB we have the lower bound. Lower bound is what, my the position of my first element. Then we have the UB. UB is upper bound. Correct, a position of the element which is present, that is at the last one. Item, the element which I want to search, and the alloc is the location of that particular element. Clear? So now in the algorithm, the first step is what, my start. Then in the second step I just assign the particular value. So here LB, that is what, my lower bound is equals to beginning, upper bound is equals to what, my end. And here I am putting the formula to calculate the middle position. Correct है? तो mid equals to integer of beginning plus end divided by 2. Now step 3. In the step 3 we will write ki how many times you want to perform the actual algorithm. So here I am writing repeat step 4 and 5. Repeat step 4 and 5. That is what my next 2 steps. कब तक? While beginning is less than equals to end. That is check करते 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 अगर मेरे पास अभी एक लास्ट एलिमेंट बचा which is at the beginning position and the same position is for the end element. So there only we have to stop, या फिर array of mid equal not equals to item. Clear? तो जब तक एक ही एलिमेंट नहीं बच रहा है, that is what the beginning और same was at my end, या फिर array of mid, the mid element equals to item नहीं आ रहा है, तब तक we have to perform step 4 and the 5. So now in the step 4, what I will do, first of all, using the formula from the step 2, we will find the particular middle element. Correct, a middle positional element. Then I will compare the element which I want to search with that mid positional element. So the item which I want to search, if it is less than the mid, तो but obvious I know that कि I don't want to check with the right hand side वाला part. Correct है? मुझे पता है the element which I want to search, if it is present at the left hand side. How it can be left hand side? Because I just compare that element with the middle element. So if that element is less than mid, so if that element is less than mid, so what I will do, just I want to remove that end position and set it over with the mid -1 position. कहाँ पे set कर दिया अभी? mid -1. तो exactly whatever is the size of my array, वो exactly क्या हो गया? half part में divide हो गया. And consider if the element is greater than that mid, so exactly ulta you want to perform, you just remove the beginning wala tag and set it over with the mid +1 position. Clear? That means if there are 10 elements are there, so just now you have to make that array with the 5 elements only. Then again we will find the mid position with that 5 elements, correct? Then continue from the step 3. Check is this beginning is less than equals to end, or you can say value of mid equals to item, correct? If it is not, then we have to perform the step 4 and 5 again. कब तक करेंगे? जब तक वो पर्टिकुलर एरे हाफ हाफ होते होते इफ दैट पर्टिकुलर मिड पोजीशन इक्वल्स टू आइटम नहीं आ रहा है, या फिर ओनली सिंगल एलिमेंट कैन बी लेफ्ट विद दैट द पोजीशन ऑफ बिगिनिंग, एंड एंड द मिड, करेक्ट है? नाउ कंसिडर एट एनी मिडल पोजीशन दैट एलिमेंट कैन बी मैच्ड. So in the step 6, if that array of mid equals to item, you have to set LOC equals to mid, correct है ना? That middle position is what the location of that particular element. Or if it is not matched, then at the end you have to set LOC equals to null, or I can say search unsuccessful. Okay, now we will see the one example. Now in that example, see यहाँ पे one array is given with the particular elements are 1, 5, 7, 8, 13, 19, 20, 23 and 29 like that. So first of all what I will do, I will set the beginning position at the position of the 0 with the element 1, and the end I will set at the position 8 with the given element is at the 29. Correct? Then I will find the middle positional element. So I apply the formula is what? Beginning plus end divided by 2. So that 0 plus 8 is 8 divided by 2 is 4. That means middle element at the position 4. Now consider the item which I want to be searched, that is the 23. Okay. So here I will compare the 23 with the 13. Now if 23 is greater than 13, 23 is greater than 13. So I know that here just I want to check the right hand part only for the next comparison. So I just remove the tag beginning from the position 0 and set it over with the 5. That's why just see here with the color difference from the 0, that is with the green color. Now I am shifted at the 5th positional element, that is at the 19. Now again I will find the middle position. So now here the formula is what? 5 plus 8 divided by 2. So now 5 plus 8 is what? My 13. Correct? Then the 13 divided by 2 is nothing but the 6.5. Now I know that I don't want to take the point wala part. So now here mid position is what? My 6, and element is what? My 20. But here I want to search the 23. Correct? So again I will compare 20 with the 23. Now I know that 20 is less than 23. That means now I want to check left hand side wala part of that with the middle element. So 23 is not matched with the 20. So now I will remove the tag from the end. That is what the 8 positional 29, and I am shifted over it with the 23. Correct? So now here again 23 and 29 element is there, where the beginning position is what? My 7, end position is what? My 8. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 divided by 2 is nothing but the 7.5. Now just I am taking the middle position is what? The 7. Now I compare, is that 23 is with the 23 matches with the middle element position? Yes. That means you can simply say कि यहाँ पे search successful. I will put LOC equals to 7. That is the position of that element. So conclusion is what? We can write the element found at the position 7 in the particular array. Clear? Do one thing, we will see one more example from the binary search. Now here the array list is given, and again same, consider कि if I want to search 23. So here from the 0 to 9, again beginning is what my 0, end is what my 9. 0 plus 9 is 9 and divided by 2. That is what my 4.5. Correct? So just I am taking the middle position is 4. Now I compare 16 with the 23. 23 is greater than 16. So but of just I want to check in the right hand side wala part. I remove the tag beginning from the first positional, that is 0th positional, and shifted over with the 5th positional element. So now 5th positional element, that is what the L equals to 5, that is what my beginning, and the end wala part or end wala position is same, that is H equals to, or you can say end equals to 9. So again I will find the middle position. Now it's 9 plus 5 divided by 2. Now 9 plus 5 divided by 2 is what? 14. 14 divided by 2 is what? My 7. So my 7th positional element is what? The 56. Now 56 is equals to 23? No. So again I compare 23 with 56. 23 is less than 56. So just I want to check the first part, or I can say the left hand side wala part. So here I remove the tag from the end one and I shifted over with the 6th positional, that is what the mid minus 1. Now I have only two elements, 23 and the 38. Beginning position is what? My 5. End position is what? My 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. So I just take the middle position is the 5. Now I compare, is that 5th positional element is equal to 23? Yes. So we can conclude that here search successful and the element is present at 5th position. Clear? So this is what my algorithm for the binary search. So basically we learn the two things. One is the linear search and second one is the binary search. Both are doing the searching method only, but with the different direction, but with the different formulas. So here we will see the next thing is what? Difference between linear search and the binary search. Now in the difference of the linear and the binary search, the first thing is what? Linear search can be performed at the sorted, or I can say with the unsorted list. But binary search, just we have to perform with compulsory with the sorted list only. Then in the linear search, what is the method? Just we have to compare the desired element, or I can say the element which I want to search, with all the elements in the list until the match is found. But in the binary search, compare the value with midpoint. Correct? Compare the value with midpoint. If the value is greater, check only the second half. Correct? Or if value is less than the mid, we will check only the first half. Now if I want to add any new element, so insertion of that new element is quite easy in the linear search, because I can add at the any position or anywhere. But in the binary search, it is quite difficult, not exactly difficult, but it will carry some more part, because whenever I want to add a new element in the list, I just want to check at what position that element will be, you can insert it. Correct? Now linear search, it's quite carrying the time consuming process when there are the large number of lists, because here we will check the element with the one by one. Correct? So consider if my list is of the 100 or the 200 element, and consider the situation where that element is present at the last 200 position. So just I want to check first, second, third, fourth, like that only till I reach to the 200. So when there is a large number of array, or I can say large number of lists, that time linear search is quite inefficient method. But in the binary search, you can simply say it is quite efficient, because with the help of every step, we will cut it down the half part from the particular list. So at the end, if I compare with its time complexity, best case for my linear search is what? If I found out that element at the first position only, that is with the only first comparison, if I get that element. But the worst case is what? If that element is present at the nth position, which is at the last position. Now if I am talking about the binary search, the best case is what? If that element is present at the first middle position. Correct? But in the worst case is what? Log base to the n. Why it is log base to the n? Because the total number of element, then next time you have to make it at the half, then uska half, like that. The last element is at the present at the position is what? The log base to the n. Clear? So in this video, we learned ki what are the different two searching methods, that is what the linear search and the binary search. And here we learn both the algorithms from that searching methods. Thank you.